then I can do the video with her.
Let me spray this bad boy down. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jazz, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video and comment. Today I have a new pair of shoes. Yeah, I'm always excited, you know. Okay, so y'all, I ordered this package on April the 1st. And I didn't get it until April the 7th. So y'all know I was stalking the mailman like crazy. And I know y'all do the same thing. So yeah, you know, when y'all looking for a package in the mail, y'all gonna start tracking that package as soon as you place the order, knowing that it ain't even probably got to the people yet. But and then when the mailman's supposed to be coming, yes, I'm using the knife. Yes. But so don't judge me, I don't have a box cutter. But when the mailman don't show up, y'all looking like, oh my god, y'all calling the mailman every name in the book until he show up, and you're like, oh my god. But yeah, let me get into opening this box, y'all. And yes, I turned the box upside down because I don't need y'all trying to find my address. I know y'all love me and everything, but I don't need y'all coming to my house. Okay, y'all, let's get into these shoes. I'm so excited. Okay, so as you guys know, these are the Yeezy Earth in the color Earth, and I got them in a size 7. Let's open these bad boys up. Let's say I have tried these on before in the store when the raffle did come out for these, but I actually got them in a size 7.5, and they were a little too big. So yeah, I couldn't do a 7.5. I mean, I could have, but I just didn't want no shoes flopping off my foot. Okay. Whoa, took it all the way out. Oh my god. This is the shoe, you guys. I know some of y'all are like, ew, but I love it. It's like the perfect kind of brown, like khaki color. And you see the bottom part is normally like kind of see-through, but you see it's not see-through at all. And then it's got that yellow boost at the bottom, which I love. I don't know why they put that little pop of color right there, but it's the bomb to me. And then this one has a pull tab. Like with the Desert Sages, they didn't have a pull tab, but I don't know why, but I just love these because they have a pull tab. Like, I don't know why. I guess it just makes it look better to me for some reason. I don't know. But yeah, like this color, it's like the dark brown at the bottom, and then it goes to the front right here at the tip part, and then it goes to the back. It's kind of like it had a little explosion or something, I don't know. But and then this little, it's like see-through. I don't know if you guys can see my fingers through there, but yeah, it's see-through. But yeah, let's see. The insole is like a really like chocolate brown. Chocolate, like super chocolate brown. And you got the boost in there. But I love it. Like, a lot of people are talking about they don't like it because it's like the color of Boo Boo. But I think it's the bomb. Like, you can always get away with black, all black when you wear these. Or you can wear like camouflage. I think that would be awesome. But I mean, this color is kind of actually like the box, kind of like it looks kind of like the box, but I think it's the bomb. Like, I love it. Like, Yeezy's been doing me pretty good. Go ahead, Kanye, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. But yeah, I'm gonna try these on so you guys can see how they look on foot. And yeah, that's pretty much my review. I love them. So make sure you guys don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and come back.